suddenly when I was shooting Vondagonu there was a motorbike in the middle of the bungalow.
Yeah,
I said, sir, what is this motorbike doing in the middle of the bungalow? Next thing I knew, I was sitting on the motorbike, and instead of coming down the stairs, the motorbike was put on some harness, and it was I don't know, it was meant to come down on that harness, and I was sitting on the motorbike. So I was like, when it comes to picturization of songs, I realized at that time that that's why he was known as the king of songs. So he had a great ear for music, and I remember when we were shooting Raja Raja, that song, which was an iconic song.
So creative it is.
Yeah, there were cards coming out of different parts of my body. Don't ask me how he shot it. I was holding a towel. Suddenly there was a card coming from there and a card. I said, sir. Then he said, I want a card coming from here. I said, sir, but how are you going to do it? He says, you don't worry. You just stand. I'll bring the card out. So, I mean, that was Ravi, sir. But I feel so fortunate that after 18 years, I'm coming back to Kannada cinema with KD. To have been given this opportunity. You know, I wasn't going to do this movie, but like they say, दाने दाने पे लिखा होता है खाने वाले का नाम. I think part पे लिखा होता है actor का नाम.
Wow.
So I'm very fortunate that Prem sir had that confidence, and he pushed me. I was actually fractured and I was on a wheelchair when he came to narrate the film to me 2.5 years ago. And I said, you know, luckily I was on that wheelchair because at that time I was working a lot. And I said, I don't want to leave my kids and again, you know, go to Bangalore because I knew the schedules were in Bangalore and Mysore. He says, you hear the script and you hear your part and then you say no. So I said, okay, you make me hear it. So I remember by the time it reached interval point, I forgot I had a fracture. I nearly stood up. And then I slumped back. I said, sir, for this scene alone, I want to do this film. So Satyavati is that kind of character.
Yes.
And I feel so happy that the film manifested itself for me. And I got the opportunity to again pair up with Sanju. Again, we have great chemistry on screen and a great friendship. And Venki sir truly is the star of the movie because when you see stars shine, you need this to shine. So that was provided by him. And it wasn't done just with the point of view of just making a film with money. I think he's made this film with heart. And that's why there's that soul. Thank you, Venki sir. Supreet, who handled all our tantrums. Dhruva, you were a pleasant surprise. Truly. Because I got, it's my first film with Dhruva. And he is an amazing talent. So, like Ramesh sir said that, you know, he would joke around before, even before an intense shot, and then switch on. That can only happen when you've had that background of theatre, which is what he has. So his base is very, very good. So Kannada cinema will see a different side to Dhruva, and I wish you all the very best. And Rishma, I don't know about you, but I'm manifesting that you're going to be a huge star after this movie. So yes, it was just amazing. Ramesh sir, we've had some interesting work. I feel very, I'm not going to give out any secrets with Ravi sir's role and mine. But all I'm going to say, I wrote a line. KDಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸತ್ಯವತಿಯಾಗಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಿ.
ಇದು ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೋ ಸ್ವೀಟ್.
See, I'm ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಹುಡುಗಿ. So I speak Tulu. ಎಂಕ ತುಳು ಬರ್ಪುಣು ಕನ್ನಡ ಆತ್ ಎಡ್ಡೆಡ್ ಬರ್ಪುಜಿ.
ಒಂತೆ ತುಳುಟ್ ಪಾತಿರ್ಲೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ತುಳು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಪುಣ?
ಅರ್ಥ ಆಪುಣ.
కేడీడు మాతల ఉండు, ఎమోషన్ ఉండు, యాక్షన్ ఉండు, లవ్ ఉండు, స్టార్స్ ఉల్లారు మాతెర్ల ఉల్లేరు, ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಉಂಡು. ಪ್ರೇಮ್ ಸರ್ ಬಾರಿ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಒಂದು ಫಿಲ್ಮ್ ಮಲ್ತದೇರು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯಾನ್ ಹೋಪ್ ಮಲ್ಪೆ ಒಂದು ಬಾರಿ ಮಲ್ಲ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ ಆವಡು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇರ್ನ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಬೋಡು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ you've always supported all the work I have done. please support us in this film again. Thank you very much.
ಅರೆ ನಾನು ಐ ಆಮ್ ಅ ಮ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಐ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಸೇ ವಿ ಮ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರಿಯನ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಶಿಲ್ಪಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಬಿಗ್ ಪ್ರೈಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ನೋನ್ ಆಸ್ ಇನ್ ಕೆ ಡಿ ಎರಾ ಯು ಆರ್ ನೋನ್ ಆಸ್ ಸತ್ಯವತಿ ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಯು ಆರ್ ಫಾಂಡ್ಲಿ ನೋನ್ ಆಸ್ ಚಂಡು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಚಂಡು
Thanks to him.
ಚಂಡು ಎಲ್ರೂ ಒಂದ್ಸಲಿ ಚಂಡು ಅನ್ನಿ ನೋಡೋಣ ಆ ಚಂಡು ಅಂದಾಗ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಸೊ ಚಂಡು ಇಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇದು ಕೆ ಡಿ ಟೀಸರು ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು ಪ್ರೇಮ್ ಸರ್ ನಿಮ್ ಪರ್ಮಿಷನ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಒಂದು ಜಲಕ್ದು ಒಂದು ಹಾಡು ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ನಮ್ದು ನೆನಪಿನ ಹಾಡು ಹಾಕ್ಸ್ಬಿಡದ ಸರ್ ಬಂಗಾರದಿಂದ ಬಣ್ಣನ ತಂದ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಇಸ್ ವೇರಿಂಗ್ ಸಾರಿ
They're killing KD.
ಏಯ್ ಸಾಂಗ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಕಮ್